Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 9, Phaethon and the Chariot of the Sun. A. Complete the flowchart to show the sequence of events in the story. First, Phaethon boasted that he could drive his father Helios' chariot. But he could not manage the horses and went too close to the earth. Third, Zeus, the king of God, hurled a lightning bolt at the chariot. Fourth, Phaethon fell from the chariot into the river Po. Fifth, later Zeus sent to Hermes to find Phaethon. No one knew where Phaethon had disappeared. Then answer the questions in few lines. So first question, what was the name of Phaethon's father? What would he do every day? And answer is, the name of Phaethon's father was Helios. He brought the sun up on his fiery chariot. Second question, what would happen if the sun did not come up every day? Then answer, if the sun did not come up every day, the crops would die and everyone would starve. Then third question, how would Helios close the day? Helios closed the day by tucking the sun out of the sight every evening and giving it time to rekindle. He then returned home weary but content. Then next, how was the Milky Way created? Answer, Phaethon's runaway chariot bore across the sky, burning a trail behind it. This trail came to be known as Milky Way. Then next, how did Zeus complete Helios' task? Zeus completed Helios' task by catching up with the sweating horses of the chariot, riding his own winged horse Pegasus. He then brought the sun home. Next question. What happened to Phaethon's sisters who stood by the river Po and wept? Phaethon's sisters who stood by the river Po and wept were changed into poplar trees by the Zeus, who took pity on them. There they stand and protect their brothers to this day. Then next vocabulary. Complete the collocation using the given word. First, regular exercise. Second, fertile soil. Third, unbearable pain. Fourth, daily lives. Fifth, weary traveler. Then sixth, strong coffee. Then B, fill in the blanks using the collocations in exercise A. So first one, regular exercise improves one's lifestyle. Second, in the fertile soil of the Gangetic plain, crops grow in abundance. Third, my uncle is making a film on the daily lives of puppeteers in Rajasthan. Then next, I have an unbearable pain in the lower back. My father says that he needs a cup of strong coffee to wake up in the morning. 6. The weary traveler, not finding any motel nearby, lay down under a tree and fell asleep. Then grammar section. ग्रामर सेक्शन में क्या दिया आपको? रिराइट द सेंटेंसेज एज इंस्ट्रक्टेड एंड वन हैज़ बीन डन फॉर यू. तो पहला सेंटेंस था, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है शालू इज ड्राइविंग द कार इन द रेन. तो ब्रैकेट में दिया है बिगिन इट विद इज शालू. तो ये कैसे हुआ है? इज शालू ड्राइविंग द कार इन द रेन. तो ऐसे ही बाकी के सेंटेंसेस चेंज करने हैं. मैंने यहाँ पर सिर्फ आंसर्स लिखे हैं. सेकंड सेंटेंस है कुड यू प्लीज़ पास मी द सॉल्ट. तो ये कैसे स्टार्ट करना है? इट इज़ बिगिन विद प्लीज़. तो ये कैसे होगा? प्लीज़ पास मी द सॉल्ट. सेकंड. थर्ड जो है सेंटेंस वो था हाउ टॉल द बुर्ज खलीफा इज़. तो ये कैसे होगा? द बुर्ज खलीफा इज़ वेरी टॉल. Then fourth, is the Statue of Unity the tallest statue in the world? Then begin it with the statue. The Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world. Fifth, she is a successful writer. So begin it with what a successful, मतलब यहाँ पर exclamatory sentence बनाना है. तो कैसे होगा? What a successful writer she is. Then last one, we should never tell lies. तो यहाँ पे कहा है बिगिन इट विथ शुड वी. तो क्या होगा? शुड वी एवर टेल लाइज? क्वेश्चन मार्क. देन नेक्स्ट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. देन नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है आपके पेज नंबर 85 पर। वहाँ के जो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है मैं आपको बताती हूँ। वहाँ पे क्या लिखना है। ए, वहाँ पे है एक्सरसाइज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द करेक्ट मॉडल्स। देन फर्स्ट, मे आई गेट अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर फॉर यू। सेकंड, कैन यू स्विम। थर्ड लिखना है, ग्रैंडमा कांट वॉक टू फास्ट। Then fourth, we have to obey traffic rules. Fourth, I am sorry, I can't help you today. I am busy. Then last, all the roads are blocked due to the landslides. We have to stay here until they were cleared.